Elon Musk's startup Neuralink on Wednesday said part of its brain implant malfunctioned after it put the system in a human patient for the first time. Neuralink has built a brain-computer interface or a BCI that could eventually help patients with paralysis control external technology using only their minds. The company's system, called the Link, records neural signals using 1024 electrodes across 64 threads that are thinner than a human hair. In January, Neuralink implanted the device in a 29-year-old patient named Nolan Arbuff as part of a study to test its safety. The company streamed a live video with Arbuff as he used the BCI in March, and Neuralink said in an April blog post that the surgery went extremely well. But in the weeks afterward, a number of threads have retracted from Arbuff's brain. This meant there were fewer effective electrodes, which inhibited the company's ability to measure the link speed and accuracy. As a workaround, Neuralink said it modified the recording algorithm, enhanced the user interface, and worked to improve techniques for translating signals into cursor movements. Neuralink reportedly considered removing the implant, but the problem has not posed the direct risk to Arbuff's safety. Some threads retracted from Arbuff's brain tissue. Neuralink said he is using the company's BCI system for around 8 hours a day during the week and often as many as 10 hours a day on the weekends. Arbuff said the link is like a luxury overload and it has helped him to reconnect with the world. Neuralink is not the only company that is building a BCI system, and the technology has been explored in academic settings for decades. Neuralink has a long road of safety and efficacy testing ahead before it can be eligible for approval from the US Food and Drug Administration to commercialize the technology. If you find this video very helpful, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.